The summer of 2023, tragedy struck. The DIA had recently acquired a masterpiece of sorts, Cloudy Day by Ganvo. In the wake of its arrival, thousands flocked on opening day to bask in its presence. Yet, when the doors finally opened, a gasp flew throughout the crowd. The world-renowned piece had vanished overnight. Enter Jimmy. Jimmy is a student at the IA and is obsessed with art. He was among the crowds when the piece miraculously vanished, and he's taken it as an attack against all things holy. So, he's made it his personal project to track down the piece. After reviewing the security footage, he's narrowed it down to 4 possible suspects. Even better, he found a DNA sample at the scene of the crime. But how can he find out whose DNA matches? By using a gel electrophoresis lab. This uses an electric current to separate DNA fragments. We use a gel box, a gel, and a buffer solution that can conduct a current. You start by loading DNA fragments into wells in the gel. The gel is made out of a polysaccharide, agarose. We use the DNA in the gel so it can pass through towards the end. But why would it pass through? DNA is negatively charged, so when we run an electric current through it, the DNA will pass through the gel towards the positive side. Because DNA fragments have the same amount of charge despite their mass, smaller fragments will move faster through the gel. We can use this to help us identify what DNA matches, and in this case, it's being used to find the thief. Once the current runs for at least 30 minutes, we dye the gel. This dye will reveal bands which will signify the length of the DNA fragments. Now, we can finally see whose DNA matches. Jimmy leaves a not-so-anonymous tip and overnight becomes a hero. Now, you know how to conduct a full-on forensics experiment. We learned how to match DNA and successfully make a gel electrophoresis lab. So, the next time a masterpiece of Ganvo goes missing, you know what to do.